Hello! This series video is collaboration with two really amazing creators, Made by Sava and Bonnie and Clyde. Please check the playlist down below where all the videos from this collaboration are gathered together. And please check out Made by Sava and Bonnie and Clyde channels. You can get more inspiration how to turn junk into something usable. This whole series is all about used envelopes, how to recycle them with easy projects for junk journal. So I collected all of these scraps from just cutting out different things from envelopes, and basically they are all colored, and I have this tray that I actually put all of the bits in to collect different colors together. So I have like a bluish, turquoise purple, and here's blue, and here is more purple, and then I have green here, and then I have blue and green, and then I have pink on the end. So I just wanted to use these today and wanted to do some tags out of them and just start making them. I'm going to have this on my left side so I can reach in it. And this is just packaging cardboard from something, I don't even know what this was. And I want to cover this side. Kind of like the back way better. So I'm going to use some glue and just glue the pieces down. And that's pretty much going to be it. I'm going to use my envelope as a background drop sheet. And I'm thinking I'm just going to go with PVA. It was quite a long time since I used my brush and PVA glue. So it's all gooby and dirty, and let's just start. I don't even know where this is going to take me. Let's just start and see where we actually go from here. So I want to go over with my finger to press it down, because at some spots there is the paper lifted, and I just want to smooth it down with my finger and a little bit of glue, so it's really tight and connected together without any bubbles. That's all that I'm doing now. I have one more space here. And that's kind of it. Okay, I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to come back when it's going to be totally dry, and we're going to make some tags. My scrap collage is finished, and it feels really good. Maybe it's not totally dry, or maybe it is. Not sure. But I feel like I used the PVA glue, and I feel like I am going to, when I'm going to be finished making tags, I'm gonna go and make a coat of clear gesso over it, so it's not going to be sticky or something like that. Usually it's not, but I like it when it's not so glossy. So I actually use all of these pieces. I still have these, so I might do another collage. I have my template. I have a lot of templates because it kind of feels really cool to have them. And I'm going to just go here and trace around, and then I'm going to cut out. Ooh, love it. Look at these babies. So I need a little bit of glue here, I guess. But they're really cute, and to produce something like this really at random, it's really cool. A little bit of edging around. So now I have two tags. I made some holes, and I wanted to use this thing here. Kind of like this bit. Maybe I can glue it down or use it for something. Is this too small? Maybe not. I don't know. Let's try it. What kind of colors go together? Or maybe I need to put something in between. I'm not sure yet. But even a small top like this maybe could go. I don't know. Let's see. I have some pink and this blue. Mishmash of all colors. Or this one. I could use this one too. I kind of want to go with this one. What if I can put both of them together and put them through? Maybe. Because I want it to be like more busy. That's all. Because the tag is busy, and I feel like it's gonna look really nice if they are both busy, top and the tag. So I want you here, and I want you here on this side. Something like that. I think it could go. Let me take a staple. I just want to staple it. Hopefully that's gonna be manageable, since it's so they're thin threads. Yeah, I like this. And I usually press on this end so they stay in more, so nothing can catch on it. Yeah, I like the messy look. Okay, next one. You can still do this blue-green stuff. And maybe a little bit of pink. Do you want to do a bit pink? For a change, a little bit of pink. And sometimes if you have colors like these and you want to have thicker strips, you could just stitch them together with straight stitch or zigzag stitch, and you would have a thicker piece of ribbon, and it looks really nice. Tried it, and it's you know, when you have just small pieces and when you put them together, it's really nice look. And even threading them through the tag or something, it's easier. Something like this, and I'm gonna just pop that like this. Yeah, and we have 2 tags. So I am left with these scraps, and I'm thinking, what should I do with them? So maybe I could make more tags, like itsy bitsy ones. I need to straighten this up a little bit, because otherwise it's gonna bug me. Okay, I have one, and I could kind of make more of these, like, what could you be? Like really tiny itsy bitsy one? Okay, go be tiny one, and 2 of these. I have 2 bigger tags, and you can even put coffee dyed or painted envelope on the back if you wanted to. You can stamp it, you can do whatever you want. Even on this side you can stamp or stencil. Then we have these small tags from scraps. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.